Hello, everyone. Actually, I see nobody here. I'm hoping later you can join me. Okay, first I want to say sorry. This welcome webinar is supposed to be held in 2 weeks ago, but apparently something wrong with the previous mentors for this group. So basically, I accepted the invitation by Udacity last Friday. So I have I need sometimes to prepare for this webinar. So finally, I managed to do it now. So because it's a welcome webinar, so I would like to share some informations with you. So I think I will do a screen share with you now. Seems weird. Don't know what's going on here. Okay, let me try again. Screen share. Application windows. Okay, share. What's going on now? Weird. Okay, control room. Screen share seems like really weird. I'm checking to see if it's work or not. Okay. Share. Application windows. No, entire screen. Oh, you can see my screen. Okay, so yeah, this webinar is our first one. It's a welcome webinar. So first, let's see the outline. So first, let's introduce ourselves. But right now, I see only me here. Okay, let me see. If someone joins us, please send me a message to show like you're joining me. Okay, and second, we're going to introduce how to use Slack. And then I'm going to introduce what is one-to-one mentor meeting. And then we're going to introduce what we're going to do about our weekly webinar. And then we're going to introduce what we're going to do in AMA session, which means Ask Me Anything. And then we're going to share a little bit how to use Udacity's classroom. And the following is how to get help. And finally, we're going to do a little bit introduction to data engineering. Okay, so how to use Slack. So first, here is a link. If you click link, you can go to Udacity's website, Basically, here is a video to tell you how to use Slack. It's a 7 minutes video. And if you don't want to watch the video, and here I have like some information. So you can see from here, I'm gonna share this to our channel, our Slack channel later. So basically, the Slack is a huge community which you can reach out to all the students from Udacities. And here we have a lot of channels. I know it could be overwhelmed, but don't worry. Here's the introduction. So first, there are some channels for us to get basic informations like AMN event. As you can see, it's here, and announcement where you can get latest update from Udacity community team on events and actions and whatever. And then you have a career session, and you can ask for career advance and job hunting tips, and yeah, something like that. And then the following is some channels for getting your narrow degree, like a specific help. So you're gonna have a school access discussion. Like it's here, it's like School of DS discussion. It's here. And you can have peer help. And related to our narrow degree, I guess here it's DEND. And you can have project channel for each of your project. But I think I'm not in this channel. And then you're gonna have XXX session, and you follow with numbers. And this is a private channel. And for us, where is DEND session 1028. So this is our private channel, and here you can reach out to me and reach out to some of your fellows who joined this D&D program. And there are also other channels. Oh yeah, in general, if you have questions, you want to ask me, you want to have a discussion with your fellows, you can definitely go to here. I will always ask your question on these channels. And the following is channels for connecting with classmates. Here you have introduction channel, and you can introduce yourself. And you can also get to know others. And here is another channel, is find a study buddy. So if you can reach out to see if someone like joined the same program as you, and you're in the same city, and you can work together to support each other and help each other. And here is the information about how to manage the notifications. Basically, if you go here and you click the preference, and here you can manage the notifications here. So to me, I only ask Slack send me email if I got some direct message, or if I get mentioned by people on Slack. And here is like hand diff and tricks. Control F is search, and Control K is move between channels and direct messages. Okay, so here is like a small instruction about how to use Slack. Okay, so another thing I want to share, it's about our weekly virtual meeting. It's about 30 minutes. So during this meeting, we will create a weekly personalized learning plan. Basically, we're gonna review your previous week work, and to see where are you right now, how is the learning process going. And then we're gonna make a learning plan for the next week. And also, you can ask me about the technical questions or project-related questions. And probably we can do like a video call, or you can share your screen with me, so we can have good way to communicate, and so you can get help from me. And about how to schedule a one-to-one meeting, you can go to the following link to make a reservation to schedule a one-to-one meeting with me. In general, I suggest it's better to schedule your meeting with me like 3 days in advance, but it's also flexible, but do not do it like 1 day in advance. But if you really want to talk to me, you can send me a direct message so we can schedule time as soon as possible. And how we're going to do this meeting, if you make a schedule, then I'm going to call you via Slack. And on the schedule time, you can just wait for me. I will call you. And actually, I already received one, like a student already reserved the one-to-one meeting with me. Okay, now I would like to show you how the Calendly works. So if you click this link, I already shared this link with you on our Slack channel. So you can see this is my name, and here is one-to-one weekly meeting. It's about 30 minutes, and the location is Slack, directly message. And all you need to do is log to your Slack account at our meeting time, then I will call you. So how to do it? So basically, the blue part, it's all the time available to me. So let's say you would like to reserve a time, don't know, Friday. So you can see those are the time available to me. So let's say you feel like you would like to talk to me at 11. So you can click 11 o'clock, then confirm, then put your name and your email address here. Then click schedule event. I will see your schedules. I will call you at 11, Friday, April 19. Okay, so that's how it works. And about the personal learning plan, I could share it with you to check how it looks like. So basically you can see, I think we're already like a little bit late. So basically you can see the learning plan is start from April 2nd. Actually, I'm not sure when your program started. I saw it's April 7th, but whatever. So we can make plan like, okay, Tuesday we want to learn this part, and Wednesday we want to see introduction to data engineering, and so on. Okay. And if you click here, you can see all the selections, topics related to this program. So you can choose what you want to learn. And here we can do some remarks about how the plan go. How's the plan going? It's like probably you're late. You're a little behind of your plan, or you're a little bit like before you plan. So we can make a remark here. This is the learning plan. I'm gonna share it with you if you want to do a one-to-one meeting. I'm gonna share this file with you. Okay. So now this is about the weekly virtual meeting. So any questions about this meeting? Okay, actually, I'm not sure how this live things goes, but if you have questions, you can also send a message on Slack. Okay, so I hear nothing. Then I will keep going. Okay, so the next thing is about our weekly webinar. The purpose of this weekly webinar actually is to help you learn better about the material of data engineering. So my plan is in each of our webinar, we're gonna have 3 sections. The first one gonna be contents of the classroom, or I could do a project walkthrough. And the second section is I'm gonna find some quiz or questions which is related to data engineering, so we can test our knowledges. And those questions in general come from interview questions, so I hope it's gonna be helpful when you doing your job hunting. And another section gonna be related topics. Probably I'm gonna share a blog I read, which I found really interesting and like really helpful. I'm gonna share the link with you, or probably we could have a discussion with it if you're interested. Okay. And another thing, if you really like, you can hold a webinar for us. And the webinar could be anything. Let's say you did your project, you complete your project, and you feel very proud of it. You want to share with us. You want to share your idea. So you can message me to tell me you want to do a webinar. Or let's say if you read some paper, some blogs, or some other people's project, you feel it's really cool and you're really excited about it, you would like to share with us, we can do it too. So this is about the weekly webinar. Any question about it? No? Okay. So, okay, I will keep going. Yeah, another thing is I already saw, yeah, I think today is the deadline for the first project. And I already see we have like 4 students already submitted their project and pass the project successfully. Here I want to say congrats, it's awesome. And for other students haven't finished yet, don't worry, the deadline actually it's flexible. If you like late for 1 or 2 days, no problem, I think. So don't be so stressed about it. Okay. So another thing is ask me anything session. Yeah, AMS is ask me anything. So this is gonna be a weekly activities. So right now, to me, I'm thinking about I'm gonna do it on Friday, every Friday afternoon at 2:00. But if you don't like it, you can message me. We can choose another time. It's gonna be the event is gonna be on Slack in our group channel. And during this session, you can ask me anything. As you can just general questions, technical questions, or industry scope related, or something about your career. And it's like the project, you don't feel good about it, and you want to complain about something, anything, you can just share whatever you want to share with me during this session. And another thing is getting help. Yeah, actually, you can see we have a lot of ways to help you. I mean, Udacity is a huge communities. You can always get help if you have any problems. So the first thing you can do is to go to our Slack channel, the Dead Session 1028. And you can reach me and you can reach your fellows in this channel. You can share about your problems. And yeah, we're going to try our best to help you. Or you can go to Slack the other channels on Slack. And there are also very different ways to reach people and to get help. Another thing is student help. Yeah, I cannot get student help because I'm not joining this program. But if you want to, but I think all the students, you have the access to the student hub. And I think you are in a channel which all the students who are in data engineering or degree program are in this student hub. You can talk about all anything related to your program in student hub. Another thing, you can just message me on Slack. I will answer you. It's like as soon as possible. So in general, let's say in 12 hours. Okay, so another thing is a website. It's a Udacity's website. If you click here, you can see. Okay, here you have. Oh, okay, so here you have FAQ, and you have content questions and everything else. So if you don't want to talk to people, you can go to here and to look for the questions you want to tackle. Okay, and another thing is, let's say if you are in. Oh no, I cannot see that, Stephanie. Sorry, let me check because right now I'm doing screen share. Let me check. Oh, I have to stop the screen share. Cannot see it. Sorry, Stephanie, if you can. Sorry, I cannot see your. I cannot see your message here. Actually, I cannot even see who is in this channel. It's no problem. Sorry, I'm totally new to the Google Live, so I couldn't see you like the chat message. What question did you have? You can test me on the Slack. There's 3 of you. Oh my God, I'm so happy. Oh, I was like really sad. I saw no one watching. Thank you for telling me. Oh my gosh. But can you hear me? Can you hear me clearly? Oh my gosh, I feel so sorry. I really want to talk to you in live, on live. Let me check how it works. I guess join. Yes. 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 Let me see. It's gonna work. Why I cannot see my guest here? So frustrated. Thank you, Stephanie. And who the other two students, the other two fellows? Hi, Mohammed. No, you don't have it anymore? Okay, I see. Because I didn't have the student hub anymore. Okay, I see. Hi, Mohammed. Yeah, for today I didn't prepare for the project walking through, but if you want, I can do it next week, or if you want, I can do it when we have the one-to-one meeting. I think Mohammed, you scheduled one-to-one meeting with me, right? Okay, so you don't like the student hub. I see. My gosh. Hmm. Send invitation. No, I'm just trying to figure out how could I see you guys. Yeah, Mohammed, is that okay for you? We talk about the project one when we do our like one-to-one meeting tomorrow. I think it's on 11, right? It's at 11. Okay. Ah, guys, I'm so happy, and I'm so sorry. I don't know how to communicate with you on the live. Yeah, I clicked the chat here. I didn't see any of you. Okay, presented to everyone. Yes, I did. Oh, just don't know how it works. My gosh. But can you see my message? I said, hi, everyone. Ah, thank you, Stephanie. You are the sweetest. But can you see my message? I sent hi, everyone on the left side. Okay, if yeah, probably you cannot see it either. Okay, so I'm gonna go back to my presentations. Yeah, I feel so motivated right now because I know three of you there. I'm so happy to know about it. Okay. Yes, yes, and I mean the chat. Yeah, you can see the chat on YouTube, but I cannot see you guys. Just don't understand how it works. Mm. Okay, so right now I'm gonna go back to my presentations. Think because in the following I'm gonna it's over here. Yes. Okay. Okay, if you have questions, please message me on Slack. Okay. Oh, I so want to know you. I really want to see you, like introduce yourself to me. But it's okay if you want. We can do a one-to-one wiki test so I can know you. Okay, yeah. So the next thing I want to say is I want to say a little bit about like data engineering. So data engineering is an aspect of data science that focuses on practical applications of data collection and analysis. And here I found a very interesting like a pyramid online. It's called the data science hierarchy of needs. So as you can see on the top is AI, deep learning, and then it's A/B testing and machine learning algorithm. It sounds so familiar to us, I guess, right? And then it's analysis and aggregations and features and training data. And then it's data cleaning, detection, and I guess this means preparations. And then I think the following it's the data engineering's work. Yeah, the reliable data flow and infrastructures and pipeline ETL all sounds familiar, right? And yeah, and the lowest it's also data engineering's work. So as we can see, the data engineering's work is very, very important in data science. So if we could be a good data engineer, we should be very proud of it. Okay. And I see. Thank you, Stephanie. I see your message. I think I'm gonna talk to them later after this webinar, and I hope the next one will be okay. Okay. So yeah. So how could we be a good data engineer? I'm so excited. I don't know how to say this engineering. Okay. So first we need to know data modeling techniques, and we need to know relational and non-relational databases theory and practice. And we need to know it's like SQL and NoSQL, right? I think some of you already like complete the first two projects, SQL and NoSQL. So I think you have a good understanding about relational database and non-relational database, both theory and practice. And following, you will learn database clustering tools and techniques. You can see it's about, yeah, we're going to use, I think the Udacity going to use some AWS tools and data warehouse, and you will learn like in project 3 or project 2, I don't remember. And ETL design and architectural projections. So basically, you can learn all of those materials from Udacity's data engineering program. Okay. So any questions about these slides? Okay, so I'm gonna keep going. So the next thing is the quiz of this week. So yeah, I just want to ask you what's the difference between SQL and NoSQL? And I think the Udacity's material like mentioned a lot of this. And right now here I'm gonna share yeah, some informations with you. Yeah, I found something online which I found it's really clear and really helpful. So if you want, you can click the source here. Then you can check the whole articles. And later I will share these slides on Google Drive. I'm going to send you a link. So if you are interested in the information on the slides, you can get it from there. So now I'm going to walk through the difference between SQLs and NoSQLs here. Yeah, this SQLs and NoSQLs is like a relational database and no relational database, or distributed database system. So we can see the first line, that's a definition. Yeah, you can see it's a definition, or it's conceptually different between SQL and NoSQL. And we know NoSQL, it's not only SQL, non-relational or distributed database system. And another thing we can see, SQL, the database related to SQL have fixed or static or predefined schema, but NoSQL have a dynamic schema. And actually the NoSQL, it's not table-based database. Okay, the third one is the SQL database are not suited for hierarchical data storage, but the NoSQL is suitable for hierarchical data storage. And the following saying, okay, this database are best suited for complex queries, and we can do a lot of joins in SQL database. And for NoSQL database, it's not good for complete queries because we don't do join over there, right? And the last one is the SQL is vertically scalable, which means like we can how to say, increase the capacity of one machine, let's say one computer, the storage and the CPU and everything on one machine. And NoSQL is horizontally scalable. That means if we add more machines, this NoSQL database gonna work well. Okay, so this is the information I want to share with you. And if in the future someone asks you some question about SQL and NoSQL in your interview, I hope you can nail it. Okay, any question about this slide? Okay, if everyone is okay with it, I'm gonna go to the last one. Last one is other topics, and here I share like two pieces of information. One is a blog. I found it's very interesting, and I read it. I feel like it's really nice to know. Name is a beginner guide to data engineering, and if you click it, you can see it's a blog. Yeah, and it has 3 parts, and explain how to become data engineering and like what kind of skills we need. And I think he also did one project over there. So if you're interested, you can go to check this blog. And I found it's very interesting. Okay, and another one is it's a free course from Udacity, Introduction to Data Analysis, because some students, they and like tell me, because we need to use Panda, but the course, but Udacity didn't tell us like the Panda is required skills for this program. So he has some problems when he doing the project. I mean, if you really have some problem, you can check on Udacity. You can search on Udacity. There are a lot of like free courses. In here, the Introduction to Data Analysis, I checked. There are some like information about the pandas and NumPy. How could I go to? Okay, let's say the more and no star freakers. Okay, you can see he introduced some basic things about NumPy and Panda. And if you want to learn something about NumPy and Panda, probably this one is a place to go. And I believe there are probably other resources on Udacity, which is free, and you can check whatever gonna benefit you, gonna help you, and feel free to do the course. And also, if you have some specific questions and you don't feel like you have a lot of time to go through all the courses, you can always talk to me, and I'm gonna share my knowledge with you, and gonna try my best to help you. Okay, so so this is all I want to share with you today. I'm really sorry because I got this invitation from Udacity on Friday night, Friday evening. So I have something to do on Saturday. So I prepared this basically Saturday and Monday, and I go through project 1 and project 2 and a lot of materials on Udacity. So I know it. Yeah, I hope it's informative, and I hope you can get some information from these presentations. Thank you very much. Yeah, that's really nice, Stephanie. Yeah, sometimes I would like to go through some blogs. They have really good summarizations about data engineering and data science, and probably some tools like Spark, like Hadoop. Yeah, they're very nice summarizations. I think it's helpful. And yes, I enjoy reading the blogs, actually. Okay, and if there's some other questions you would like to ask? You're welcome. Thank you, guys. I feel so happy to meet you here. And I'm really sorry about the last thing I couldn't communicate with you guys. But I hope we can know each other when we do the one-to-one weekly meeting. Thank you, Stephanie. And I'm wondering who is the third fellows. I see Stephanie and Mohammed. I don't know who you are, but hi, the third fellow. Really nice to see you join the YouTube live with me. I feel motivated, and about the next week webinar. Right now, I have no idea what to do. Actually, the Udacity give me a schedule so I can follow the schedules. Yeah. Oh no, not this one. Yeah, it's this one. Actually, as you can see, I already missed the first two. I already missed the first two webinar, but if you would like to know something or anything, please tell me. And as I mentioned before, if you want to do a webinar, please tell me. We can do that. Yeah, I think it's a good thing if you saw something, if you see something, you feel really excited, you feel like you really want to share with us. I think it's really good to do a webinar by yourself, I mean. Okay. Thank you, guys. I mean, if you don't have specific things, specific suggestion for me to do the weekly webinar, I think I'm gonna follow the Udacity's schedule, or probably when I read something like interesting, I'm gonna share with you. But if you have some ideas, please feel free to tell me. The purpose of this webinar is to share the knowledge to help us to learn more about data engineering and to succeed, I guess. Hmm. Okay. So if it's okay, I think I'm gonna stop here today and keep in touch and be active on our Slack channel. And if you have any question, feel free to message me. Sure. Thank you, Stephanie. Thank you, Mohammed, and thank you, the third fellow, which I have no idea who you are, but I'm grateful and I'm happy you're here and with us. Okay, guys, so I think I would say bye to you. See you next week. I hope next week the webinar is gonna work well. Okay. Okay, bye-bye, guys. Bye-bye.